Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer miles on Etihad Airways. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I've done right here. How can you create an account on Etihad? Launch in the browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar type etihad.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to transfer miles on Etihad Airways. I'd like you to know that for you to transfer miles, you have to sign up to the Etihad Guest. Check the top right corner of your screen and click on Etihad Guest to launch your Etihad Guest account. If you do not have one, just follow through with the prompts to create an account as an Etihad Guest member. So we're currently on Etihad Guest. This is loading up. So now that we're here, check the top of your screen. Okay, it's signing in. So we're here. Now over here at the top corner, you're going to find this option that says App Program and how it works. You see it here and details: mobile app, mobile miles on the go, family membership, and fax transfer miles. So go ahead and click on Transfer Miles. It's going to take you to the Transfer Miles window. Welcome to Shareable Miles. Awesome. So now that we're here, let's learn how we can now share the miles. So how to transfer your miles. Number one, log into your account and select transfer miles, which we have done. Add the recipient Etihad guest account number and email address, and then select the amount you like to give. A 10% service fee will be added to your transaction. So that's pretty much it. So you can click on transfer now. Now, once you click on transfer now, it's going to take you to the next window where you're going to be asked to add the recipient's Etihad guest account number and email address. Then select the amount you like to give, and that's just going to be it. So if I click on the transfer miles, nothing is going to be available because I do not even have miles in the first place. I do not have miles, but once you have miles, then you can just follow through this process. Click on transfer now and add the recipient Etihad guest account number, email address, and select the amount. Now to give, you will need a minimum balance of 1,000 miles, which I do not have. So if you do have, then go ahead and click on transfer now and follow through with the on-screen prompt to transfer your miles. So that's pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.